In this video, we will install CentOS 7 and Cpanel Control Panel in an OVH dedicated server. Click on Bare Metal Cloud. Click on Dedicated Servers from the left menu. This is the server where we need to install the cpanel. On this page, you can see the server details, like this server have a CPU Intel Xeon and 32 GB RAM, 2x250 GB SSD NVMe. This is the IP address of the server. To install cpanel, you need to click on these three dots, right side of System OS. We already have CentOS 7 installed. We will be doing a reinstall. So click on the three dots. Click on Install. On the screen, select Install from OVH Cloud Template. Click Next. From the OS type drop-down, select Administration Interface. Click on Linux to expand. We have four options here. One of them is cpanel. Other three are plus. We will go with the cpanel option, the first one. This is CentOS 7. The default OVH disk partition is not good, so we need to customize it. To customize the disk, click on Customize the Partition Configuration. Click on Next. Here you can see the /boot partition is only 512 MB. That is very small partition. We need at least 1 GB. Before we can edit this one, the disk space is fully used. As you can see, there is 0 MB free disk. So we cannot increase this partition. Before we can increase partition, we need to free up some disk space. For that, click on this pen icon, right side of /partition. Then reduce the size. Click on the tick mark to save. Now we have a lot of free space. We can freely increase the disk space for /boot and the SAM partition. Let us first edit the /boot partition. Click on the pen icon. Let us give it 2 GB, 2048 MB. Click on the tick mark to save. Next, we need to increase the SAM partition. The partition type is XFS. We will use ext3. For that, click on Edit again. Then from the drop down, select ext4. Click on the tick mark to save. Next, we will increase the disk space for SAM partition. Default is 2x512 MB. That is too low for a SAM partition. We will use 10 GB. So let us put 1024 into 10. Click on the tick mark to save. Next, we need to resize the /partition. Currently, we are using only 482 MB. We need to use the full disk space for this /partition. Also change the XFS partition type to ext4. For that, click on the pen icon. First of all, select the file system type ext4. Next, we need to increase the space. For that, there is an option to use space remaining. Click on the space remaining icon. That will use the whole remaining disk space for this /partition. Click on the save icon. Click on Next. Scroll down and click Confirm to start the installation. This installation process will take approximately 30 minutes. You will get an email from OVH with the server root password once the installation is completed. I will pause the video now and resume after the installation is completed. Server installation is now completed. You will now get an email with the server login. You can also see it under my account. This is the WHM cpanel login URL. To login, click on the URL. Username is root. For password, you need to click on this link. That will give you the password. I have already copied the password, so I will paste it here to login. Click on login. You need to agree to the terms and condition. Click on agree to all. Here you need to put your email address. You need the name service here. For name service, we will use ns1.domain name and ns2.domain name. Click on finish. Cpanel installation is now complete. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.